Friends, you have to see how I took one Dollar Tree wall decal and turned it into 5 high-end DIYs that look like they came straight from a home decor store. Wait until you see number 3. That's my favorite. Now let's jump in. These projects today are very straightforward and simple, and they challenge your mind to just take one Dollar Tree wall decal. I know we use them a lot to do different things, but just to take one and transform that into 5 or however many that you can get from it. Completely different projects with just one wall decal that will just take them to a whole nother level. And that's what we are doing in this video today. So we're starting with the canvas that I got in a set from Plaid. And then I just got added a little of the blue paint to it and then glue it on. A rose that I made with clay, glue that in the middle, made small bow. And this is this set. Beautiful, love it, love it, love it. Now what you did not see me do was add the little garland around the roses. I did that off camera. Now this is our second one. This is another canvas. This is actually a Dollar Tree canvas, and I'm doing the same thing, just stroking across the canvas with the dry chippy brush, just to break it up, break up the white background a little bit. And then I'm going to take one of the large rows, the largest one I believe, and just paste glue that down there. You can also add school glue at the back of it before you glue it down, just for added adhesive to ensure that it stays there. And because I wanted to make sure that it was sealed on there, I flipped it over and I'm using the brayer to just roll that in. And then, like the others, I'm making a little bow, got the mesh, tied that in the middle, glued that down. And then this ribbon also came from the Dollar Tree. I'm making a little finger bow to go on top of that, dovetail the ends and glue that down. And then I found a little wooden rose or laser cut rose, and this is further embellishment. Glue that in the middle, and then to cover up that hole I am gluing in a little bead right there, and then added the string at the back, and this one is done. Love it, love it, love it. Love these. Cute. And we're not even done yet. Now we're jumping into this giveaway information. Now guys, I mentioned a few weeks ago that I will be running a giveaway. Just a special thank you to 2 lucky persons, not really lucky, 2 special subscribers. And these are the items that I will be giving away. Now, if you want to participate, comment down below, special giveaway, just to ensure that you are entered. And if you have not yet subscribed, now would be the great time to do that. And I'm also jumping into a glue gun review. Now, I was sent this glue gun to use in my projects and just to see how it worked. And here I am unboxing that. And the name of this is Carter glue gun. It's one of those little glue gun that is easy to use with some glue stick. You can never have too many glue sticks. And this is charged by using a USB cable. And this is our little glue gun. And it's pink. Oh yes, it matches my craft mat on the desk. So I'm going to plug this up and leave it to charge because I need it to be charged properly. And then here I am using it in this project, which is actually a part of another video, because this was the night when I was crafting a lot. But I will be publishing that video and you will see more of this glue gun in those projects, and it is good to go. And if it's not being used, then it shuts down, and when you're ready to use it again, you just press that button and it comes back on. And it doesn't squirt out a lot of the glue when you press that thing. It squirts out a small amount, so it is manageable. Love this little Cartec glue gun. A link for this will be in my description box below. If you are interested, you can check that out. This is a thrifted picture frame that I had worked on last year, and I'm just going to be redoing this. So to get it ready for painting, I took the sanding block and I'm just sanding off the paint that was there before and smoothing that out. So I'm using some of my Waverly chalk paint in Ocean. This is Ocean, and this is very, very thick. So I scooped out a little bit. I'm going to be diluting this because I can't use this as it is. So I sanded down my frame, and here I will be mixing the paint with the Mod Podge. My intention is to get a crackle effect, and sometimes I like to do that because it works both ways. It seals the paint as I paint it on, and it also gives me that crackle effect. So I'm doing this to get both objectives. So my friends, if this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. I am so happy that you decided to join me here today. As you would have heard by earlier, where I mentioned that I will be giving away some of my stash. So if you want to get into, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you mention in the comments down below special giveaway in a sentence. Don't just add special giveaway and that's it. Communicate to me the word or the term special giveaway in a sentence, because when I'm picking the winner, then I'm going to be looking for those things. All right. So if this is your first time and you would like to participate, go ahead and do that. More information on this giveaway will be down in the description box below. And my longtime subscribers, you know I'm not going to leave you out, so you are also welcome to participate. So the frame is done and it's looking a little too blue for me, so I took a small paintbrush and some, well, this is a fan brush, and some white paint, and I'm just going over the frame lightly just to tone down that blue a little bit, and I'm trying my best to get it back to looking to at the same shade that is on our wall decal. So I believe that is good enough. Yeah. So here is our decal. I flipped it around. I'm going to use this one. So I peel that off and I'll set my frame aside. I am going to paste this on a piece of cardstock, and for added adhesive I am adding some school glue just to make sure that it stays on there securely. Now that is done, I grabbed my frame and my glass. I had already cleaned the glass properly, and then I reached for the Cartec glue gun and did not put the glue gun on the inside, so I had to start the process all over again. Now you want to make sure that you put your glue gun in and then you plug it up to charge, because that's when it starts to heat the glue on the inside. But the show continues because there's always a backup. So I want my glass to stay in, so I'm just adding little dots of hot glue, and then I'm going to slide that on the inside. I'm going to turn my cardstock face down, slide that in as well, add a little dot of hot glue just to keep everything in place, and then I'm going to add the back. And as my friend Wendy from White Sparrow Living would say, to make sure that this is snug as a bug in a rug, I added a little hot glue, slide that in, made sure it was snug tight, and this is done, my friends, and I made 2 of them. There they are. Love them. And like I said, this was my favorite. Now here we are for our scripture today, Matthew 6:33 and 34. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Take that as an encouragement for you today. Now here we are for our final reveal. Let me know what you think about these beautiful projects that I made today using only one Dollar Tree wall decal. Can you imagine that? Only one wall decal was used to produce all of these beautiful creations. Whenever you go into Dollar Tree, make sure look for these, grab them. They are so effective in giving you very high-end DIYs. So let me know which one was your favorite. My favorites, of course, were the 2 thrifted frames. Share this video with a friend, like, comment, hype, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. Jump into the competition. I will be drawing the winner at the end of this week and post the winners on my community tab, so make sure that you are in. And there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed crafting with you today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative projects like these. And tap that notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Need more inspiration? Click right here for other fun DIYs. Happy crafting, stay safe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!